Hello friends, I am Rahul Gawande. Welcome to our channel Progressive Always. Dear friend, this is part 3 of chapter 1 of standard 8, rational and irrational numbers. In this part we are going to study practice set 1.3. Let's see example number 1. First example is 9 upon 37. Here I start solution. What is dividend here? Dividend is 9 and divisor is 37. Therefore here 9 divided by 37. Now here dividend is smaller than divisor. When dividend is smaller than divisor, first we divide by 0. That's why here divide by 0 first. 37 into 0, 0. Now do subtraction, 9 minus 0, 9. Now we have to continue, take 0 on 9 and here put decimal point. Now it becomes decimal fraction. That is in the form of decimal form now. And now let's continue the division. 37 2s are, 3s are will be bigger than 90, therefore 2s are. 37 2s are 74. Now subtraction, 10 minus 4, 6 and here 9 minus 8, 1. We get 16. Again we have to continue by taking 0 on that. 0. Then 37 4s are. We have to check. If that is smaller, then we will take that. 4s are. 7 4s are 28. 2. Carried over here 144, 14 148. Again subtraction, 10 minus 8 2 and here 16 minus 15 1. We get 12. Again continue by taking 0, 120. Then here 4s are 128 greater, then 3s are. 7 3s are 21, 2 carried over, 3s are 9, 9 plus 2, 11, 111. Now subtraction again, 20 minus 11 here, 9. Now see dear friends, here is 9 and we started from 9. Now here after writing 0 we get 90 means same number, and now here from here this group will repeat. Group will repeat. That's why put dash or bar on the top of this. It means that group of 2 4 3 is repeating again and again. We don't get remainder 0. This is non-terminating recurring. Non-terminating means here remainder we don't get 0. That's why non-terminating, and recurring means group will repeat. That's why this type is non-terminating recurring, and this is our answer. Therefore here I write 9 upon 37 is equal to 0.243, and don't forget to give dash or bar on the top of that, on the head of these three numbers. This is the answer. Let's see example number 2. In example number 2, dividend is 18 and divisor is 42. When we will divide here, we get the answer in decimal form. Again, here dividend is smaller than divisor. That's why first we divide by 0. 42 into 0, 0, I write here. Subtraction 18, and now we have to continue by taking 0. First time when we take 0, you put here decimal point. First time only. But hereafter we will continuously, we will take 0, 0. But at the same time, don't give again and again. Once only. First time. Now 180, 42 and here 180. Table of, no, table if you don't know, in rough we can do. No problem about that. Now 42, we will check now, 42 4s are. If that is greater, then 3 we will take. If that is smaller, then we will select. 4 2s are 8, 4 4s are 16. right? Then 4s are here, 168. Subtraction, 10 minus 8 2, 18 minus 17 1, 12. Now here we have to take 0, but don't put again point, once only. Continue now. 42, 4s are is 168, 3s are also bigger, 2s are double. 42 2s are means double of 48, 84. Subtraction again, 10 minus 4 6 and 12 minus 9 3. Here 12 minus 8 plus 1 9, 12 minus 9 3. Again take 0. Now we have to continue by this way. 360. Now 360, 4s are here. We will check. 42 8s are. Let's check. 8 2s are 16. One carried over. 8 4s are 32 plus 1 33. 336. Okay. 8s are 336. Subtraction, 10 minus 6 4 and 36 minus 34 2. Here 36, here 34 2, 24. Then again 0. 240, you see here where 240, 168, 3s are, let's see, 3s are, 3 2s are 6, 4 3s are 12, 126. Here is 214, 4s are is greater, 5s are 42, 5s are, 5 2s are 10, 5 4s are 20 plus 1, 210. Yes, 5s are 210. Subtraction, 40 minus 10 30. In the rough we have to check that. Table of 42 we don't have learned. Then again 0, 300 we got. Now here you see 330 is greater. 330 means by 8 I think. Then check 7. 42 7s are. 7 2s are 14. 1 7 4s are 20. 8 plus 1 29. 294. 7s are 294. Now subtraction, I write this side. Subtraction I write here. How much? 300 minus 294, 6. Here 6. I put one more 0, 60. 60 now 42, 1s are, 2s are greater. 2s are greater, no? 1s are 42. Then here 10 minus 2, 8. 6 minus 5, 1, 18. Now see dear friends, here we got 18 and here is 18. Means here. It means that this 4 will come again now. We will take 0 and 4s are. Right? 4 to 8. This group will repeat now. We don't get remainder 0. That's why non-terminating and group is repeating. That's why that is recurring. Therefore our answer is here. 18 upon 42 is equal to 0.428571. This is the answer in decimal form. Let's see example number 3. 9 upon 14. Dividend is 9, divisor is 14. Dividend is smaller than divisor. That's why first divide by 0. 14 into 0, 0. Then I subtract here 9 minus 0, 9. I take first 0, put decimal point here. When we take first time 0 here, we have to put decimal point. Now continue. 14 6 are. 14 6 are how much? 84. Subtraction 90 minus 84, 6. Take 0. If some of you don't know the table, you can do in rough. Now for you, I also check here. 10, 14, table of 14 till 60. Then let's check now. 14 5s are how much? 5 4s are 20, carried over 2, 5 1s are 5, plus 2, 7. See here 60, we want 60, 5s are greater. Okay, then 4s are. 4s are how much? 56. 14 4s are 56. Subtraction here 4. 60 minus 56, 4. Then take 0. After that again table of 40 till 40. 2s are 3s are. Now here that is greater than. 3s are greater. 14 3s are 42, greater. Then 2s are 28. Subtraction again. 10 minus 8 2. 4 minus 3 we give here back. 4 minus 3 1. We got 12. Again 0. Now again we have to check. Let's see by which number. 14 7s are, we will see 7 4s are 28, 2 carried over, 7 1s are 7, plus 2 9, 98. 8s are also, see 8s are, 8 4s are 32, 3 carried over, 8 1s are 8, plus 3 11, 112. Right, means it is smaller than this. 8s are 112. Then subtraction 20 minus 12, 8, 0. This 80 I continue here. I write here 80. Now 5s are 70. Okay, 14 5s are 70. Here subtraction 80 minus 70, 10. Again take 1 0, we get 100. After getting 100, again table of 14 till 100. Now here you see 8s are how much? 112. Then let's check 7s are. 7 4s are 28. 2 carry over here. 7 1s are 7, plus 2 9, 98. Here 7s are 98. Subtraction 100 minus 98, 2. Again take 0, we get 20. See, we have to see number that should not be repeated. When that will come again, we will stop. 20. Okay, now 20, 14 here. 14, then 2s are 28 greater. 1s are 14, 1s are 14. Now again subtraction 20 minus 14, 6. See, is there anywhere 6? Here is 6. 80. We will take 60, then 56, then 40, then 28. It will repeat now. Means till here. Here we have to stop now. But now 6, but that is not 90 is not come there. 60 from here. That's why first number will not be there. From here it will repeat. 4. 14 4s are. 14 4s are 56. 56 will come here. Means 4s are. From here group will repeat. 6 will not come in that. 0.6, 428571, 428571, 428571. In this way that group will repeat. Therefore answer is now here 9 upon 14 is equal to 0.6428571. This group will repeat. This is the answer in decimal form. Now let's see example number 4. Minus 103 divided by 5. Number is negative. but no problem. When we solve, take that number as a positive and in answer give negative sign. 103 is numerator and 5 is denominator. Dividend divisor. Let's divide by 5 to 103. 5 2s are 10. Here 0. Next number is 3. Now 3 is smaller than this. That's why take 0 here. 0. 3 minus 0, 3. Take 0, put decimal point. When we take 0 by ourselves, then we have to put decimal point. Now 5, 6 are 30. We got remainder 0. Therefore answer is, now minus, our fraction was minus 103 upon 5 is equal to, we got quotient here 20.6, but as here quotient is in sub minus, therefore put here minus. Therefore answer is minus 20.6.